Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It is ClawsByChristi, and this is our first nail tutorial video on this page, so I really hope y'all enjoy. I'm doing a polygel application today. Let me know if y'all want to see polygel videos or acrylic, but y'all, I'm starting to really like polygel more than acrylic, and I've been with acrylic for so long. But anywho, I'm about to do the polygel application. I did not show the prep today, but if you want a prep video and how I shaped my tips before I put on my bases, just let me know. So right now I'm going in with this polygel right here. I got this from Model Ones, as y'all can see. They sent it to me one day, so yeah, if y'all want a link to that, I'll probably have it in the description box. If not, just text me on Instagram at ClawsByChristi and I can give you guys that. And it worked pretty good. So this is how I do it, the technique I use, and I'm using their slip solution, which is in the black cup to my right and your right. So I'm just go ahead and do the application. I won't talk the whole video. I'll put a little bit of music behind it. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and skip around the video to hear what else I have to say and how I achieved the look.
You still give me head of 5 patience. I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her mom when she want. Brush it off when you tie me off, you know I'm Islam. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you. I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes.
I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break
Right now I'm doing the shaping of the nails. So for these to dry, you have to cure it in the gel lamp, so either the LED lamp or the UV, whichever one you prefer. And I'm going in with my nail file, and my nails were sticky, so if y'all's are sticky also, comment so I can know it's normal, or if it's not. But you'll see me later buffing it and spraying it with my pink spray, which is my alcohol. So I'm going through my shape right now. I call this almond leto, not stiletto and not almond. But yeah, we're doing this, then I'm gonna scrub them and we're gonna get into the design.
Observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off, and your peers do it all. Speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your peers do it all. No, nothing at all. No, nothing at all.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. Said I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Said I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. No, you're probably thinking I ain't worth shit, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are, into we are. We are.
Right here, I'm y'all. Right here, I am applying my silver chrome powder. I think I got this from Amazon. It was in a kit with like 20 of them in little circles. So y'all probably gonna see the 10 in a second. But yeah, I'm putting on my chrome for the base of this look. I really didn't know where I was going with the look, honestly. I was just freestyling on myself. I seen some abstract stuff earlier and I was like, yeah, I have to do something abstract, and it came out so good, thank God. But I was like, dang, I never did my chrome with clear before. I always do it with black polish underneath, so I wanted to just try that out, and it came out really pretty, really mirror effect. I love that. And y'all just did a chrome nail set today on a client, so that was fun. But yeah, here's the nails, the length, shape, everything looking good, and I'm gonna get all the excess chrome off my skin after I top coat.
Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, who waited line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder. What you mean, you and me, I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. But I like you, so maybe I look like you. Maybe we ain't so different, maybe I be trippin'. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold ring. No. Don't hold no ring. Yeah. Good against better than nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga, ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty, got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, by the time with a year, we are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. But you wanna fuck me now, but you wanna love me down. Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring a nigga, show me something. Shake it like you owe me something. Put you on the pussy like a button, can't pull time for your time. Still getting rowdy in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Got the peace, it's South East. Got her clapping to this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she see my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. Bitch, that's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic with Mac 11s. Bad bitch, and she's Spanish. I buy her that got a pencil. We get nasty, I'm her dad. If I know a nigga ain't average. Nothing wrong with big asses. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic. I'm peeking, I'm on it. Don't look at me like you want it. Tell them that we ain't stunting. If fourth down, we ain't punting. Think of this crack alarming. Can't come here without a permit. This shit really a jungle. The villas and the condom.
Hey, I look like I'm the man. But I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold ring. No. Don't hold no ring.
Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Brush it off when you tie me off, you know I'll be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Just do it out of thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how great it is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how great it is.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes.
World, I'ma walk in direction. Just do it out of thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how great it is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how great it is.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Here's the finished product of the nails. They came out really pretty. If you recreate them, definitely tag me on Instagram and TikTok at ClawsByChristi. See you in the next video.
I can break you up.